Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to IGCSE Mathematics. This video, the introduction part of the geometry. In this video, I am covering some fundamental results and some important problems. I continuously uploading the geometry series completely, chapter completely. If you are in a like this video, please share. Don't forget to share and give your comments, whatever it is. And if you not subscribe, I recommend it to you. Please subscribe this video and help to others. Okay, start our section geometry. Starting from the geometry, some fundamental results. The first result, that is, if you draw a straight line, this is a straight line. We are making angles like this. This angle is known as A, this is B, this is C. On a straight line, we can say the sum up of angles, that is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 190 degrees. This is called linear pairs. Sum of the linear pair is equal to 190 degrees. So how many angles we can draw? We can draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever it is, the sum of these angles are equal to 180 degree. Next property. If you have the trial line like this, 1, 2, angles like this, it is a fixed point. The angle is, this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, this is angle D, this is angle E. It became a circle, just like a circle. The sum of angles A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 360 degree. The sum up of angle is equal to 360 degree. In straight line, it is a 190 degree. Like a circle, it became a 360 degree. And the next property, if you want to write it, pause the video and write down. Next property, if two lines intersecting like this, this is angle A, this is angle B, we can say that opposite angles, A is equal to angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. This is another property. Next property, related to triangle. If the triangle ABC, if these two sides are equal, in a triangle two sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, then opposite of this side, that rectangle, and opposite of this angle and this angle are always true. Same angle, we can say angle B is equal to angle C and AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Similarly, we can draw a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means three sides are equal. That means AB, BC, AC are equal. Then the three angles are equal. The sum up of an interior angle of a triangle is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 190. The sum up of an interior angle of a triangle is 190. Three angles are equal. Then each angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Each angle became a 60 degree. These angles became this is some fundamental properties. Using this property, we are going to do some problems. First figure, AB is a straight line, AB is a straight line, A, B, C, D. AOD is equal to 25 degree, and DOC is equal to A degree, and COB is equal to 60 degree. Then what is A? That is what is A. So we know that 25 plus A plus 60 is equal to 190 degree. A plus 85 is equal to 190 degree. Then what is A? A is equal to 190 minus 85 is equal to 795 degree. A is equal to 95 degree. Similarly, we can go to the next problem. Here three angles are given. One is angle A, one is angle 2A, one is angle 3A. What is the each angle? What is the each angle? So here we know that A plus 2A plus 3A is equal to 190. A plus 2A is equal to 3A. 3A plus 3A is equal to 6A. 6A is equal to 190. A is equal to 190 by 6, that is equal to 30. A is 30 means A is equal to 30. First angle is equal to 30 degree. Second angle is equal to 2A is equal to 60 degree. Third angle is equal to 3A is equal to 90. This is the final answer. Three angles we are found. Please pause the video and write down. First figure we can see one angle is 71, one interior angle is 71, another interior angle is 58 of a triangle. This is exterior angle of the triangle. We have to find what is the exterior angle of this one. So first of all we can find sum of the triangle angle is equal to, this is called, we can say x. Sum of the interior angle is equal to 180. That is equal to 71 plus 58 plus x is equal to 190. 129 plus x is equal to 190. X is equal to 190 minus 129. What is x? X is equal to 171. X is, this angle became a 51. So this is 51, then what is E? Then this is the linear pair, this is the straight line linear pair. E plus 51 is equal to again 190. Then what is E? 190 minus 51, that is equal to 9. 129. 129. The E is equal to 129. Here another property of the triangle is I am saying sum of the interior angle is equal to the opposite of the exterior angle. We can say here in shortcut method E is equal to 71 plus 58. The exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle of the triangle. Opposite in E, this is the exterior angle. Sum of the opposite angle is 71 and 58. We are adding means 129. Similar way we can find the E also. This way also we can find the E also. In two ways you can find the answer. This is the problem with respect to the properties. Then next problem. Here one triangle is there. This notation, this symbol is not by this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Then what is this angle? So we can say 90 plus here 2a plus here a is equal to 190. 90 plus 2a plus a is equal to 3a is equal to 190. 3a is equal to 190 minus 90 is equal to 90. A is equal to 30. Then a is equal to 30. What is 2a? 2a is equal to 60. We have to find b. 2a plus b is equal to 190 because this is the linear pair. 2a is equal to 60 plus b is equal to 190. Then b is equal to 190 minus 60 is equal to 120. Similarly here a plus c. A plus c is equal to This is the linear pair. A plus C is equal to 190. A is equal to 30. 30 plus Z is equal to 190. C is equal to 190 minus 30 is equal to 150 degree. This is a method for finding the angles. Please pause the video and note down. Here on figure is the key given. We studied about the what this the figure says. This angle is equal to 44 degree and this angle is equal to 63. These two lines, two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. And these two sides are equal. Find angle A and find angle B. These things are saying from the figure. So we can say that first this triangle, we can say ABC. AC equal to BC. Then opposite of this side, the opposite of CB is equal to angle A is equal to the opposite of side CA is A. So this became A. These two sides are equal, then these two angles are equal. Then what is the triangle ABC? Triangle ABC. A plus 44 is equal to 190. 2A is equal to 190 minus 44 is equal to 136. A is equal to 68. The angle A is equal to 60. Here is this part is over. Then A, B, C, D. In this part, this side is equal and this side is equal. Then opposite of this side is this angle. Opposite of this side is this angle. These two angles became equal. This is also B. So we can say 2B plus 63 is equal to 190. 2B is equal to 190 minus 63, that is equal to 117. P is equal to 58.5. B is equal to 58.5 and A is equal to 60. The only property we are doing these things, then answer we are getting A is equal to 68 and B is equal to 58.5. Pause the video and write down. This figure what we are saying. We can give, first of all, we are give the names A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So what is this? This is 42 degree. This angle is equal to 50 degree. And this angle is equal to 50 degree. These two angles are equal to E and this is J. Find E and J. So first of all we can take the proper triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. That means 42 plus this is 50, this is 50, total 100 is equal to 142. The triangle ABC is equal to sum of the ABC is equal to 190, then the angle C is equal to 190 minus 142 is equal to 88. This is became a 38. This is became 38. Now 38 plus 2E. 38 plus 2E is equal to 190 because this is the linear pair. So 2E is equal to 190 minus 38. 42. What is E? E is equal to 21. E is equal to 21. This is equal to 21. Then how to find J? 50 plus 38 plus E 21 because this triangle became this is the angle. This is the angle means 38 plus 2E we want to add plus J is equal to 190. And how much getting? 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 109 plus J is equal to 190. J is equal to 190 minus 109, that is equal to 70. J is equal to 71 degree. Clear? Then pause the video or write it down. Next problem. So in this figure saying exterior angle of the triangle, this side is 130, this is 60 degree, this is 40 degree. Here A and here B. Find the A and B. So we can start from here. This is the linear pair. So it is equal to 190 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. This is 50 degree. And this also a linear pair. This also linear pair. 190 minus 60 is equal to 120. And what is A? Here 50, here 120. 120 plus 50, 170. 180 minus 170, this became 10. This became 10. A is over. Then B is there, 60 plus 44. B is equal to 190 minus 60 plus 44. That is equal to 190 minus 104. That is equal to 176. Sorry, 76. The B is equal to 76. A is equal to 10. So this is the explanation of the figure for problem. Continue to the next video. Remaining parts is continue on the next video. If you like it, share it and subscribe the video, and let me know your comments through the comment section. Thank you, one and all.